Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to reset Kucoin password. So how do you do that? First, open up your Kucoin account. How to get a Kucoin account if you don't have one? Simple. Go ahead and launch your browser. You can use any browser of your choice. Locate the search bar, which is usually the top corner. In the search bar, type kucoin.com. It's going to take you to the official website. Top right corner, you're going to find the sign up button. Click on that and follow the on-screen prompt to create your account. So once you're done creating your Kucoin account, it's going to take you to this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have a great and exciting time on Kucoin. So let's hop into today's task, which is how to reset Kucoin password. At the top corner, you're going to see a few headings and subheadings. Okay, so head over to where you find the initials of your account. You're going to see a drop-down menu that says trading fees, account security, identity verification. So click on account security and it's going to open up the security page. So here you go. Now we want to change or want to reset Kucoin password. Scroll the way down to where you can find your password. Here, of course, we find it in advanced setting, which is login password. Now you have this button right here beside it that says change. So click on that change and it's going to open you up to the process. Now it says old password. So you have an old password. So now you're going to have to enter your new password. And once you enter your new password, copy it and then paste it here where you see confirm password. Confirm password means what you wrote in new password, repeat it in confirm password, and then click on submit. So once you click on submit, that's just going to be it. Your password will be reset and changed. So you can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And once you're done, you'll be good to go. It's just simple. This is how you can change your password on Kucoin.